Updates ng Barda. Ayan pa yung video nila, oh. During Magi event. Nakalagay dito, POV, yung girlfriend mo na very supportive. Yun, oh. Ganyan sila nagtutulungan, eh. Sila Barbie at David. Nakalagay nila ng palaman. Seryoso sila, eh. Yan pa iba pang mga picture nila off cam dyan sa Magi Nestle Kick-Off event. Love na love sila ng Magi, eh. Lalo na yung Magi Magic, sarap nilang commercial, eh. More blessing to come sila Barbie at David. Halos magka-height pala sila Barbie at Juday, you know. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para lang update po on short reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.